I welcome you here again to this tutorial. Inshallah ta'ala, I will be teaching you today how I made the design you are watching on your screen right now. The design was made for one of my clients just recently. So by that, I would like to show you the same magic and the same method I used in the designing, the design. So firstly, if you want to make your design from scratch, that is from the beginning, click on the plus below your screen at the middle. So what the next thing to do is to set your design size. You can do that by clicking on the customize size on your screen. So but before inputting my design size, I would like to call your attention to a principle so that is very necessary when designing with Canva. The principle says the higher the size, the higher the resolution and quantity of your design. If you want to produce a design of a higher quality, you need to set your design size higher. So by that, the least size or the best size to use lies between 3200 to 3000, maybe upward, right? So now we want to make a square design as seen on the screen based on the template I want to mimic. So click on width. So 3200, you can use 3400, you can use 3500 and upward like that. But don't let your size be lower than 3000. So this also 3200. Don't forget this place is in pixel. Now create new design. So the templates or the design I want to replicate, I will like to import it into the first page of this interface. So click on gallery. So you as a new designer, you don't need to import anything, just go straight to your design. So let me set it as background. So if you want to set it as background, click on this three icon, set as background. Now let me create new page. Now before making the design, let us do some scientific study through this design. So firstly, we can see our brand name here. So no design you must make except you include the brand name. The brand name may not be too bigger, but it must be displayed and showcased on the design. So here we can see free accommodation, that is offer. Here your partner so that is your theme, design theme. Here we can see contacts, because the essence of designing is to catch the viewer's attention to take action. So here you can see call to action. This thing is called call to action. Book now. It's like you are commanding the viewers. So here we can see our pictures. Now this thing, this shape, we need to search it under elements, and also this man, we need to search it under elements. Now what are the keywords you will use to describe this shape, to give the search engine to work through your expectation? So I think this design, if I'm not doing any mistake, so that is trapezium, and this trapezium is lying down, that is horizontal. So that means if you want to search, just search horizontal trapezium. So this man, I think the man is an engineer. So the man is working on roofing, so you can say roof engineer. I hope you understand. So there is no magic in this design. Just know the right keyword to search if you want to get good results. Now let us go to our new page. So let me search for horizontal trapezium. Can you see many? Marshall, I think this is the one they used. This is the one they used. Can you see? So you can just turn it over. Be looking at the percentage, the degree. This is 180 degree. So it is, you can just make it large. So make it larger. So what's the next thing? The next thing is to set our color. So I have the color here, but for you as a new designer, so you can, let me show you the color code you will use. So click on color, click on the arrow above. So beside this brown color, you will see a plus here, or you can click on the brown color, click on it. So this is the color code 4C3821. 4C3821. That is your color code. If you want to set your own, also just pick any color and click on it again. After you have clicked on it, long press here and paste your color code. So you will just paste like this. So that is how you do on any color. Even sometimes you may your client may give you his brand color code. So that is the color code, the color he uses for his business. He may give you color code. Just head over to that section and input your color code. Inshallah, the color will be perfectly set. So after that, let us set our, so here I think I have everything saved in my clipboard. So click on text. I have the, okay, DI Tech Construction Company. So let me set the font. So use poppins. Reduce the size. Don't forget, I'm placing the brand name at the left side, so you must use left alignment. Bold, color white. Good. So I can just make this into lines. So reduce the spacing. So let me make it in title format. So this one capital letter, this one also capital letter. Good. I think we're having free consultation here. We're having free consultation there. So both, place it here. So after that, we're having our theme, the theme of the design. Place it here. Make it big. Don't forget the color code. So the color is in, if you want to get the color code for this color, just click on it. Can you see? E for AA15. So you too apply this in method. Make it bold. Yes, you can make it in 3 lines. MashaAllah. Can you see? Now let us search for the, I think this place we need to apply logo. Search for any elements. Just search for building logo. MashaAllah. Let me choose this. You can set it to white also. Good, perfect. Perfect. Now, roof engineer. Roof engineer. So it's not necessarily we use the picture of the man, but I think we should be able to find it. Okay, let me put roofing engineer. Roofing. Okay, roofing contractor. Let me see. Roofing. Okay, can you see? This is the man. This is it. Although it is not necessarily you use this, but for the sake of this class, because I want to replicate the design I displayed on the screen so far. Now you will see that this man has some background. So just click on remove BG remover. That is background remover. So you can make use of this when you are using Canva Pro. But if you are using free version of Canva, so you may not have access to this feature. So you can just stretch like this. MashaAllah. Hey, the head is cut off. Can you see? Okay. I will apply a trick. Don't worry. So now it removes it remains the contact. Duplicate this. Give it brown or black color. Yes. So this is the color. This is the number. Can you see? You must have saved all what you want to use in your design. Save it somewhere. You will just be copying and pasting. Place this here. You can make this bigger. Make it bolder. So drag this man here to maintain the space. So you can group them together. So it remains book now. Click on elements, shape. Let us choose this. Drag it. Be looking at the degree. You must set it to 90 degree. So 90 degree. So you can duplicate here. Okay, choose this color, set it to brown. Can you see how I'm switching between the colors? And you can use this, duplicate, book now. So give it black color, reduce the text box and place it here. MashaAllah, our design is ready. So here, let me just put call icon. Click on elements, call icon. Don't forget I'm using Pro app, so the free user may not have access to the entire features I'm using. So drag this here. You can reduce. If you look at this, I think they are not perfectly aligned. So click on this arrow. You must be sure all your design are aligned. So that's good. I can change this. Okay, I think this one also is too big. Change the color. This one also. Change it to, then this, leave it in brown. Wow, MashaAllah. Now let us compare the two together. Can you see? Wow. So the head is cut off. Kai. Now search for shapes. Shapes. You can click on circle. Just place it here to cover the cutout. Just place it here. So you can click on. So you can duplicate. Place it here. So you can write. So just write trusted agents. So we make it bold. Undo. So make it bold. That's good. Centralize it. Wow. Can you see this problem? If you encounter any problem like this, this is the way out. Don't panic. Duplicate this. Delete the agents. And here, delete the trusted. So make them in different text. Make different text box for them. That's the solution. So put them here. Put this. Just place it here. So use your arrow to navigate it. Click on this, drag it below. Click on this. So just place it here. So you can give it white color. MashaAllah. So now come here, because if you try to click on this trusted, don't forget the problem is still there. So but if you want to click on that trusted, come to layers. So click on trusted. Can you see? Or else you will find it. So that's good. So by this we are good to go. If you look at the alignment at the left side, you will see that I perfectly aligned everything. So by this, click on your design, download. Don't forget to set this to PNG. So set it to PNG. Now look at this size A. You will see our default size A, 3200 by 3200. If you want to increase the quality of your design, just drag this ball as much as you can. So but don't forget, the higher the resolution you set is, the slower it will be when downloading. So if you are downloading on that poor network, it is advisable for you to switch to other network that is stronger. So I will increase it. Can you see? It says increasing the image size means your design might take longer than usual. But if you look above my screen, I'm using 5G. So if you are using 4G, you will know that you will need to wait for long. So by that, I'm downloading page 2, and that is the current page I am now. So click on download. It is downloading. It is downloading. It is downloading. It is downloading. Wow, mashallah. So if you find this video helpful, don't hesitate to click on subscription button below and toggle on your notification bell. Barakallahu feek. Meet you in the next video.